Hey, it's Tim with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon, and today we are going to put together a soft wash gun. I have a buddy that I'm going to be helping out this weekend, and he wanted a soft wash gun like I have with the ball valve. Told him that those ball valves are kind of hard to get a hold of, but I'll see what I can put together from Home Depot parts. So I'll show you what I came up with. If this is something that is helpful or useful, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, or if you would use different fittings, or if there's something I missed that can make this soft wash gun better, definitely leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching the channel, and let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. All right, I'm gonna go through the parts list and I'll read this stuff off to you guys so you have a pretty good description of what these parts are. This is an 18-inch PVC riser. This is usually in the sprinkler section at Home Depot. So it is threaded on both sides, if you can see that. Threaded both sides. Next we have a ball valve. This is 3/4. The reason why I went with a little bit bigger one, you can kind of see in there the opening's a little bit bigger, so this contraption here, the water's going to flow a little bit better with the fittings that are going to need to be added to this. In theory anyways, that might not be the case, but I wanted to go through with something a little bit bigger anyways. So we got that. Got the tube. This right here, this is in the PVC section. This is 3/4, and then it reduces it down to 1/2 inch. So if you can see that. And then this is just a coupler. Again, this is in the riser section. It's threaded both sides, 1/2 inch. Little quick disconnect, stainless steel. And then this is 1/2 inch by 3/4 MNPT male adapter. And then this, let's take it out of there. Hopefully this video don't go too long. It's kind of being recorded in real time. Anyways, this is going to go on the back of the ball valve. You'll see here in a minute to attach your tube to. If you're wondering what connection that is, take a screenshot of the video. There's that. And we'll take this one out. This is a 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch. This little brass piece here. There's probably some better fittings. And again, this was just stuff I sourced real quick at Home Depot. If I had more time, I would probably do this a little bit different with all like banjo type bushings and things like that. But here is the package. If you can see that, hopefully it's not backwards in the video. So, and then I have some single step fusion. For the sake of time in the video, I'm not gonna make you guys sit through prepping all this stuff. I got some true blue, but what I'll do is I'll just kind of connect the pieces together and show you how I'm gonna make the soft wash gun. So take the tape off this, or the tag off. Start with the ball valve. Again, this is where you'd be putting, your sealant. Dropped it. It happens in videos sometimes when you're recording in real time. You'll drop parts. We won't edit that out. See, it reduces it from 3/4 down to 1/2 inch. And then we take this here. I'll back up a little bit so you guys can see. And that's just going to screw in there. Again, we would seal that. Okay. And then in the back here, of course, we'll just throw that in there for now. Again, you might be able to find a different type fitting other than brass that goes in that. So you can see that, that's for 1/2 inch. You can get these in 5/8, all different types of sizes, but a lot of people run 1/2 inch for their soft wash hose, some 5/8. Anyways, there's that. So we're gonna go down to the end here. It's all coming together pretty quickly. This coupler is gonna go on the end of here. And then this right here, this is that 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch. That's gonna screw right into there. Okay. And then this here is just gonna go into the top of this. Just like that. Everything fits in there real good. So you see you have a whole soft wash gun to where you can put tips in. I got another video on my channel that shows the different soft wash guns. I'm going to put this down real quick and grab my J-rod. I'll show you kind of what it looks like. Alrighty, just pulled it off the trailer real quick. Here's my soft wash J-rod. Kind of see how that would go. There is, I believe it's a 45-degree coupler. I could not find any when I was out at Home Depot that'll make this kind of, you know, turn it on and it would angle down, you know, 45 degrees. That might be better for, you know, squirting out. But I don't know what I got into this thing, probably with all the parts and everything. I think the ball valve was around 10 bucks. All the other fittings is like $2-3 here or there. I think this riser tube was $4 or $5. I haven't added it all up, but it's a pretty cheap option to make a soft wash gun. So hopefully this is helpful. There's better options, I'm sure, but yeah. So I'll probably monkey with this a little bit more and get this all sealed up and get this ready to go on my buddy's soft wash setup. So, all right, hey guys, have a good day. Hope this is helpful. Hit the like button for the video, hit the subscribe. And again, I have flatbed stuff that I'm working on. I have a booster pump that I'm working on. I got some pickup filters that I'm working on. So lots of content coming. Bear with me. My schedule has been completely swamped. You know, thank goodness. Hopefully you guys are all doing well with everything that's going on right now. I'll get content out there and get stuff out there for you guys and try to be as helpful as I can. I'm not making any money off this. This is strictly just to help you guys out. So again, if you see better ways to do things, drop it down below. Leave some comments. Talk to you guys soon in the next video.